Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your X account permanently. So currently we're on X, and at the top left corner you're going to tap on your profile icon. When you tap on it, you're going to go down to Settings and Support, and you're going to click on Settings and Privacy. Next you're going to tap on Your Account. Here you have your account information and all things like that, and at the bottom you can tap Deactivate Account. So you can find out how to deactivate your account by tapping on Deactivate Account. And it says this will deactivate your account. It also says your display username and public profile will no longer be viewable. So all you need to do is to tap on the red Deactivate button down there, and your account will be deleted permanently. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us. So feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you.